Finding the best Bluetooth speaker can be a pain. There are so many options on the market, and you don't know which will be the best for you and your needs. Well, in this video, we break down the top 5 Bluetooth speakers on the market this year based on price versus performance and situations they will be used in. We'll be taking a look at products in every budget range, so regardless of whether you've got a few bucks to spare and want the best value, or are looking for the best of the best, we'll have an option for you. So if you're interested in finding out which Bluetooth speaker will be the best for you, stay tuned. As always, all the links to all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description down below. We always keep the description up to date with information we may not get a chance to mention in this video. We also update the description down below with links to find the best price on each product. So for the most up-to-date information along with updated prices, be sure to check out the description. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. Fifth on our list is Ultimate Ears Boom 3. This night black Bluetooth speaker is all you ever wanted a speaker to be. It delivers immersive, loud 360-degree sound. Each note is audible thanks to a deep and accurately balanced bass. The battery of this thing can work for up to 15 hours without distorting the sound. If you want to pay extra, you can even get a wireless charging dock, so your speaker never runs out of battery. As amazing as it looks, the Boom 3 isn't just wonderfully designed, it is also amazingly durable. It's waterproof, it floats, and it is almost indestructible. You can even submerge it in up to 1 meter of water for 30 minutes, and it will be just fine. For those who are into extreme sports, this speaker will be a godsend, as it is built to handle all sorts of thrills. If you're among those people who love organizing impromptu parties, you will love Boom 3, as it allows you to use the Ultimate Ears application to pair up over 150 Megaboom and Boom speakers. Even better, it works with any generation of these speakers. The controls of this speaker are super simple. With its magic button, you can skip, play, or pause with a single touch of a button. If you're worried about its connectivity, you don't have to be. It has a Bluetooth with 150 feet range that has no latency. With the maximum sound level of 90 decibels, a frequency range that goes from 90 Hz to 20 kHz and 2 drivers, this Bluetooth speaker has a ton of power that guarantees high-quality loud sound output. On the one hand, this Bluetooth speaker is really amazing. The sound is simply amazing, it's rugged and durable, water-resistant, and its equalizer is customizable. On the other hand, it does have some flaws. There's no 3.5mm jack, no Bluetooth aptX support, and pairing up several of these can be a frustrating experience, as the app isn't very intuitive. Fourth on our list is Bose SoundLink Micro, our choice for the best mini Bluetooth speaker. When it comes to mini Bluetooth speakers, they usually have one major flaw. The sound coming from them is one-dimensional. Well, that's why this tiny guy is on our list. It's the best mini Bluetooth speaker on the market at the moment thanks to its amazing sound and additional features. At the very first listening, you will notice that the sound is balanced and crisp, while the bass is unexpectedly powerful for a speaker of this size. What's even more surprising is the fact that this speaker offers a stereo mode, which will additionally improve the quality of the sound. The IPX7 rating of the speaker means that it is waterproof inside and out. It will also resist cracks, dents, and scratches thanks to its rugged, yet soft exterior. This Bose model comes with a tear-resistant strap that will allow you to take it with you wherever you may go. You can strap it to your cooler, handlebars, or backpack. It will stay put. So whether you want to go to the beach, a backyard, or a bike path, this speaker is made to follow you. One of the best features of this tiny speaker is its battery life. It provides up to 6 hours of playtime via Bluetooth or wireless pairing. Unlike most Bluetooth speakers, this model comes with a built-in speakerphone that will enable you to access your phone's Google Assistant or Siri, or even take a call. This amazing speaker is so tiny, you almost won't be able to believe such a powerful sound can come from it. Its height is 3.87 inches, width is 3.87 inches, and the depth is 1.37 inches. On the one hand, this Bluetooth speaker has some serious advantages. It's completely waterproof, it's as tiny as they come, it has a built-in speakerphone, and the controls are incredibly simple. On the other hand, it does come with some small disadvantages as well. With a speaker of this size, you can never get the perfect sound reproduction, so this model is no exception from that rule. The pairing can be problematic, and you have to update the firmware when the speaker arrives. Third on our list is Tribit X Sound Go, our choice for the best Bluetooth speaker under $50. This 12-watt speaker is really one of the best Bluetooth speakers on the market right now, and definitely the best one you can get for less than $50. The highs are crystal clear, the mids are crisp, and the bass is rich. X Sound Go offers an immersive listening experience that will not let you down. Thanks to dual 6-watt power drivers, this stylish speaker can deliver fascinating sound with no distortion even when you do crank it up. Ready for everything you throw at it, this is dust and waterproof, so it can follow you under the shower, to the beach, or pool parties without a hitch. The mighty lithium-ion battery this speaker is packing is there to allow you to listen to music for 24 hours straight with no recharge. The speaker will even warn you when the battery is almost out of power, so you won't be surprised when it shuts down. When it comes to connectivity, the premium Bluetooth 4.2 technology will connect to all of your Bluetooth devices quickly and easily, and it will be able to do so even if the speaker is 60 feet away. Another great feature, uncommon for this price range, is the built-in microphone. By simply pressing and holding the multifunction button, you can access Siri or Google Assistant via this speaker. Price-wise, this is the perfect mid-range Bluetooth speaker. However, you don't have to worry. Its performance is well above other mid-range models. On the one hand, you will love using this Bluetooth speaker. It has a tough exterior coating that can handle bumps and drops, it's waterproof, setup is super simple, its battery is amazingly durable, and its dual drivers deliver incredible all-around sound. On the other hand, even the best products have some flaws. The microphone isn't the best, so the other person might not hear you perfectly. It has no fast charging, and the bass isn't as powerful as rock music fans would probably like it to be. If you're interested in updated pricing or going more in-depth on some features of any of the items mentioned in this video, be sure to check out the links below. And if you're interested in staying up to date with the best products on the market, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Second on our list is JBL Flip 4, our choice for the best Bluetooth speaker under $100. If you want something powerful and reliable that still won't cost you too much, this JBL model is the way to go. In our opinion, it's definitely the best Bluetooth speaker you can get for less than $100. With this speaker, you can wirelessly connect up to 2 smart devices, phones or tablets. That allows you to take turns while playing music in high-quality stereo sound. The built-in battery is, of course, lithium-ion. It's rechargeable, has 3000 mAh, and it supports almost 12 hours of playtime. With this model, you will never have to worry about spills or the rain, as it is IPX7 waterproof and can even be submerged in water. Another interesting feature of this speaker lies in the fact that JBL Connect Plus app allows you to connect more than 100 JBL speakers together. We have to say, that sounds like one hell of an outdoor party. For those who like to take calls while outside, this speaker has a built-in echo and noise-canceling speakerphone. The calls with this thing are crystal clear, and of course, you can activate and talk to Google Now or Siri from this speaker. JBL decided to show off a bit with this one, as they made it with dual passive radiators that will allow everyone to hear, feel, and see the bass this speaker delivers. On the one hand, this Bluetooth speaker has some strong positive sides. Its audio performance is solid, the bass is rich, and the highs are wonderfully well defined. The battery life is outstanding, the waterproof design enables you to submerge it underwater, and the price tag is more than reasonable considering its features. On the other hand, it does have some flaws that might stop you from buying it. There are no track navigation buttons that might make use simpler, the mid-range sound is underwhelming at best, the USB charging port is a bit flimsy, so you have to be extra careful not to damage it while inserting the cable. Number 1 on our list is Bose SoundLink Revolve Plus, our choice for the best overall Bluetooth speaker. This isn't simply the best Bluetooth speaker from Bose, it is the best one overall in our modest opinion. It delivers loud, deep, stunning sound with true omnidirectional 360-degree coverage. The flexible fabric handle this model sports makes it easy to grab the speaker and go. The seamless aluminum body guarantees durability and IPX4 water resistance. You can take it wherever you want and enjoy a spacious, amazing, all-day-long listening experience. The first time you turn this thing on, you won't be able to believe it's just one speaker. The battery is rather long-lasting, as it can deliver up to 16 hours of playtime. The driver is full range, which means that everything you play on the speaker will sound just perfect. Of course, a model like this one has a speakerphone and enables voice prompts. You can take calls and access Google Now or Siri quickly and easily. The range of this speaker is up to 30 feet, and it connects to your smartphone via the Bose Connect application easily. You can also use an aux cable to connect it to non-Bluetooth devices. Now, we know that the price can be a breaking point, even when the best overall Bluetooth speaker is in question. On the one hand, this Bluetooth speaker is really amazing. The sound is absolutely outstanding, as this speaker delivers true 360-degree sound. It has speakerphone abilities, controls are simple, it is impact and water resistant, the battery life is great, and the design is phenomenal. On the other hand, it does have some flaws that might change your mind and make you go for a different model from our list. The cradle that enables easy charging is an additional accessory that costs $30. Its range is only 30 feet, and its price isn't what we'd call affordable. Alright guys, that is all for this video. Hope you guys liked the video. If you guys did, please go ahead and give it a like. If you're new to the channel and you liked the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now, so if you want to know what the best gear out there is, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, hope everyone has a great day, and until next time, I will see you guys later.